61.16 degrees. Yeah. Did you get the
Is
answer?
that it? No, I got 68.
Yeah, it's 68.
Oh, is it 68?
Yes.
Yeah, I got 68.
How come? 16/43. Oh yeah, I got 68 too. Sorry, I pressed the wrong thing, eh?
Yeah.
3. Yeah, I got 68. Sorry, 68.16. That's weird. Hang on. 16. Oh yeah, I must have pressed the wrong button. All right, when I rewatch the video, I know what mistake I've made. So thanks for that, John Norman. Thanks for that. 68.16. Thank you. All right, now, so my answer was wrong. Okay, yeah, Grace and Denise were firing bullets at me through chat. So that's a bit of delay then. All right, never mind. Okay, never mind.
Of course you did 68. Yeah, sure, Grace.
Yep, all right, cool. I'm very glad that you're verifying my answers and not just, take it like that. Good job. All right, now moving on to the next example. Okay, so example 3. Oh, that's an E, by the way. Oh my God. Now, example 3. Okay, now I'll actually draw another right angle triangle like that. Okay, so that's a right angle, right? And your theta is right there. And we've got 15 centimeters and a 28 centimeters. Okay, now tell me, which trigonometric ratio should I use? Sine, cos, tangent, which one?
10.
10. So Norman said 10. So 10 theta equals to opposite of adjacent, isn't it? Okay? I get so far? Yep. Now, so what's opposite, what's adjacent? Which is which?
28 is O, 15 is A.
O and 15 is A. Very good, honey. So 28 is opposite and 15 is adjacent. Okay? That's good. All right, so we've got what? Tangent theta equals to what? How much is opposite? How much is opposite?
28.
28, okay, 28 over what's adjacent?
15.
Okay, so what should we do? If we're looking for theta, what should we do?
Arc 10, is it?
Man, very good, arc 10. So all you need to do is to put a what? Arc 10 in front of it, okay? Now, if you put arc 10 in front of it, on the left, you got to do the same to the right, okay? So that brings us to the next step. Now, arc 10 and 10, goodbye, gone. So what's left on the left-hand side of the equation? Theta, okay? Theta equals to, now, what's on the right-hand side? You've got arc 10, 28 over 15, isn't it? 28 over 15. So we'll leave the rest to what? To your bestie, calculator. Okay, so now, let's grab the calculator.
Mister?
Hey?
Mister?
Yep.
How do you do the arc thing, Bob?
What? Come again?
The arc. I don't know how to do the arc thing.
You don't know how to do the arc thing.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you. So have you got a calculator?
I'm using the computer calculator.
Oh, now, don't use the computer. You got a physical calculator. Like,
I don't have a physical calculator. I'm poor. Sort of.
You're poor. Yeah, your phone is more expensive than mine, I think. Anyways,
I don't have a phone.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you've got a point there. So what I'm gonna do is are you at home?
Yes.
Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop off the picture for you. I'll leave it to you until whenever we see each other. How's that sound?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure. Now, by the way, since you raised it, now can I ask all of you right here who hasn't got a calculator, could you please leave a comment in your chat section and I'll attend to you. I might lease it to you. You can pick it up at school, okay? I mean, a real calculator, not your phone calculator, not your computer calculator, whatever that is. I want an actual, real, OG calculator, okay? If you don't have one, pop a comment in the chat section. Sounds good? All right, now, so we will continue here. Now, so if you go to 10, you have a look at 10 there, okay? So 10, all right, now, as you can see, if you have a 10 there, then you have got, you can see an arc 10 above. Okay, so if you see an arc 10 above, all you need to do is you click shift or press shift and then press 10, and then you see arc 10 comes up. So when you got arc 10 there, open bracket, right, what's the number? 28, so 28 divided by 15, okay, 1, 5, and then close bracket. All right, so what you get there is 61.82. All right, so 61.82 was it 821? So 61.82. So the answer is approximately 61.82 degrees. All right, now please verify my answer, because sometimes my best friend, who's as old as I do, might have a little mistake there. Okay, so I'll double check and make sure that that is absolutely correct. 61.82. Is that correct? Come on, please verify my answers. Come on. Is that correct?
He said correct.
Who said? Oh, Denise said correct. Thank you. Right now. John Norman, you still alive for what?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Are you following?
Yes.
Okay, cool. All right, now, so, all right, our last example here. Okay, what if I tell you that sine theta, now without giving you a triangle, I tell you that sine theta, so this is example 4, and the last example. Now, without giving you any triangles or visual aids, I tell you that sine theta is equals to 0.45. What does that mean? And what I'd like you to do is find theta. Okay, what does that mean? Anyone?
Draw a right angle triangle.
A right angle triangle, okay, so if you still want to convert it into right angle triangle, that's fine. Okay, so you got your right angle triangle there, okay, and you got theta, whatever that is, so theta, and you're looking for theta because you don't know how much that is. Now, 0.45. Oof. What does that mean? Huh? Is it opposite? Is it hypotenuse? Is it what's what? What's what? Come on. Think. Tell me. If I give you that, and I ask you to translate it into, or transform it into a right angle triangle, what's what? Tell me. How much is the opposite? How much is the hypotenuse? What do you reckon? Come on, I'd like you to think. And please, don't be shy to give me an answer if you get it. Anybody?
A over H?
Yeah, over H. Okay, so how much is the opposite? What's the length of the opposite? And what's the length? Oh my God, did I write that as hypotenuse? Jesus. All right, so how much, what's the length of opposite and what's the length of hypotenuse? Which one, which is which, and how much? Anybody, come on. What does that mean? Sine theta equals to 0.45. What does that mean?
The reference angle is 0.45.
We don't know how much the reference angle is, do we? We look at the later. So
Hypotenuse or?
Yep. So opposite over hypotenuse, isn't it? Opposite over hypotenuse. What's hypotenuse?
Longest side.
The thing that I always tell you is actually there, but you can't see it.
Most.
What would that be? What would that
One.
be? One. Thank you. 1. Exactly. Because 0.45 divided by 1 gives you 0.45. Okay? it doesn't mean that it's not there. It is there. Okay? So the opposite will be what? The opposite will be 0.45, and then your hypotenuse will be 1. Okay? All right, good. Now, so once we have got the right triangle here, now let's look for theta. Now, I need to tell you this. You don't necessarily need to draw a right angle triangle to find the theta. Okay, if the question just asks you to look for theta and they only gave you this, they only gave you sine theta equals to 0.45, you do not need to draw a right angle triangle. What I did there just now was to show you and also to know your real understanding about Trigo. Okay, so if you're given sine theta equals 0.45 and you're asked to look for theta, what should you do? You don't need to draw any right angle triangle at all. Okay, what should you do? Tell me. If I'm looking for theta, theta is my bag. Now, what should I get rid of? What should I get rid of?
Sine.
Exactly. So it's basically the same thing that we have done there. So all you need to do is, well, you only need to put arc sine in front of sine, isn't it? So put arc sine in front of sine on the left. You got to do the same on the right. So your theta equals to what? Theta equals to arc sine
0.45.
And then all you need to do is press your calculator. That's all. Okay? So grab a calculator.
26.74.
You press arc sine. Okay? If you press arc sine and then 0.45, so as the answer is what Honey just said, is 26.74368,395. So we're gonna round it to 2 dp. So that will gives us 26.74. Okay.
So it's 26.74.
Sorry, what? 26.74. What? What's the unit?
Degrees?
Degrees. Exactly. So your theta is 26.74 degrees. Okay? Now, any questions? Any questions?
No.
Okay. Now, this is the time to ask a question if you don't understand. All right? Perhaps I will go through it again. Let's do a round check. Okay?
I wouldn't,
Grace, did you understand this? Do you understand this?
Yes.
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 Positive. Okay, cool. John Ross, do you understand this?
opposite of what she said.
Yeah, you know what? Use your chat because your microphone is broken. It's like, you know, you're speaking under.
Okay.
Now, John Norman, did you understand that? Okay, cool. All right, now, what about, who's next? Melissa, is it? Melissa.
Yeah.
Melissa, you do understand or you do not?
Yes.
Ah, yes. Okay. Again?
Yes. What are you're asking?
Megan? Oh, yeah, there we go. Megan, may I know where you're living right now? Are you living on Mars? Really huge. Really huge.
She lives down the street from me.
All right. Now, Denise, what about you?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. All right. And Honey, of course you understand that. You guys been giving me the answers. Yeah. Yeah, all good, Honey? Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So, now, your favorite homework. Now, so
Good.
leave you out the booklet. So what I would like you to do, okay, I'm going to pop it right here. Now, please make sure you jot it down and make every single question, okay? Now, so we've got exercise 7.4. I'd like you to do that. So it's page 415. to 417. Now, as always, we use the navigator. All right, now we'll be using the navigator. Okay, so which one are we going to do? Well, no doubt, we're going to go for the most challenging one. As always, this is what we've been doing always, the third column. Okay, because the first and the second are too easy for you, all of you. So just do 3, the third one. And also, once you've completed that, I'd like you to do booklet 1. Now, booklet 1 is just a recap to reconsolidate everything and to provide you more practice so that remember it for you. All right? Now, so page 28, only one page, unit 9. Okay, so that is your homework, and it's due on when would I see you next? Wednesday. All right, it's due on Wednesday. All right, on Wednesday, I will tick. You're gonna show me, okay? Show me on your webcam or something that you've done something. Okay. Now, if you really want to show me before that, you can also do that. If you hop onto the website www.mrkwan.com.au, there is a button on top of the website which says submit work. Now you can use your phone because when you're submitting your work and when you're attaching the file, you turn on your camera roll, you just take pictures of it and then send it to me. So it's up to you. Now, you don't necessarily need to do that, but if you can't wait to show me that you've done work, why not? Okay? All right? So, that's all for today. Pretty simple, I reckon. Straightforward and simple for all of you. You don't seem to have a problem with that. Now, and if you do have any questions, I've said this many, many times. If you do have questions, you know where to find me. All right, get a picture of your question and send it to me. It's very good that a few of you have been doing that. So just capture the question and then ask me. I will reply ASAP when I get a chance. Okay. I'll get there. Okay. Now, can we say bye to each other before we go?